Good morning student, my name is Anand Vijay. Today in this video lecture we are focused on to the new topic logical and boolean operators, and this one topic is the part of chapter 6 more on Python. Student, what is logical operator? Basically logical operators are used to combine two or more expressions at a time and produce the output either true or a false, that is the boolean value. So it is also known as boolean operator. Logical operators are three types, that is and, or not. The AND operator and or logical operator both combines two or more expressions, but not logical operator only just single expression. You can find out here example a equal 5 and b less than equal 3. That the one expression is a equal 5. The second expression is b greater than equal 3, and it is combined by the AND logical operator. In the next example, you can also find out a less than 5 or b not equal to 3. Here also the two expressions are combined. But in the case of not logical operator, you have find out only one expression can be judged here. Okay, the first thing is here and or both are combined more than one expression, but not only just the single expression. The second term is what? And or. In case of and or, how it is calculated true or false. In case of and logical operator, listen carefully. In case of AND logical operator, if mention all expressions are evaluated true, then the final output is true. Otherwise, it returns false. That means what? Otherwise means what? If first expression evaluate true and second expression evaluate false, so output is false. If first expression evaluated false and second expression evaluated true, so output is again false. If both expressions evaluated false, output is false. If both expressions are evaluated true, in that case, it given the output true. So the clear concept about the AND logical operator in the programming, the mention all the conditions that are combined with AND logical operator, all are evaluated true, then the final output is true, otherwise it returns false. In case of OR logical operator, if any one expression is evaluated true, so final output is true. If both expression or mention all the expressions are evaluated false, in case it given the false output, otherwise it given the true output. What the means of that? If the first expression is evaluated true and second expression is evaluated false, the output is true. If first expression is evaluated false and second expression is evaluated true, the output is again true. If both expressions are evaluated true, then output is true. If both expressions are evaluated false, in that case it produces the output false. So it is the clear about the OR logical operator. If mention all the conditions, all the expressions are combined with the OR logical operator, if all mentioned expressions are evaluated false, then final output is false, otherwise it produces true output. But in the NOT logical operator, it always just the single condition and produce negates out. Negates means what? When the condition evaluates true, the output is false. When the condition evaluates false, then output is true. So it is just opposite. Condition evaluates true, then output is false. Condition evaluates false, then output is true. So this one is the theoretical process of logical operator, and why it is called Boolean operator, because it given the output either true or false. That why it is called Boolean operator, क्योंकि operator contains only two kinds of value, either true or false. Okay, so we can do in the practical manner. The example is given here and we can also solve through the practical. I have opened the Python and I have typed whatever the value given here. The first value is, there are the two variables that can be defined, a equal to 5 which b equal to 10. The current value of a is 5 and the current value of b, that both are the variable here, is 10. And now I type the expression a equal 5 and that is the keyword, so it is displayed in the different color, b greater than equal to 10. I press enter key, it given the output true. Why it is given the output true? Because the value of a is 5, 5 equal 5, one expression is evaluated true, then b greater than or equal 10. Here two conditions are integrated. The value of b is 10. 10 greater than 10, it is false. But 10 equals 10, it is true. So one condition is evaluated internally true, so final output is true. The first expression is also true, the second expression is also true. So final output is true. Again I change it. I change it the expression here, a not equal 5 and b greater than 10. Then I press enter. In that case, it given the final output false. We can combine the expression through the AND logical operator. Why it given the false? Look at the expression. A not equal 5. What is the value of a? The value of a is 5. 5 not equal 5. That is internally evaluated false. But b greater than 10, it is also false. 10 greater than 10, that is false. So both expressions are evaluated here false. So final output is false. Again we have checked here a less than or equal 5 and b less than 5. Again I press the enter key, the output is false. Why it is going to the false? Look at the expression. A less than or equal 5. The value of a is what? 5. 5 less than or equal. The first condition 5 less than 5, false. But 5 equals 5, that is true. One condition is evaluated true, so internally the output is true here. And the first expression is evaluated true. And b less than 5. b less than 5 means what? The value of b is 10. 10 less than 5. The output is internally evaluated false. So first expression is evaluated true. Second expression is evaluated false. So final output is false. Okay. So we can find out here the true expressions. Both expressions are true. Both expressions are false. One of the expression is false here. The second one is the true, but the final output is false. So this is the example of which one? And logical operator. Now we concentrate on to the OR logical operator. How a less than 5 or b not equal to. Look at here. The output is false. Why it is false? Because 5 less than 5. The value of a is 5. 5 less than 5. So it is false. B not equals to 10. 10 not equals to 10. That is also false. But it is combined with OR logical operator. In case of OR, both expressions are evaluated false, so final output is false. Again I change it to greater than A, or E not equals. The first expression I have changed to greater than A. The final output is false. Why? 2. The value of 2, it is literally value greater than A. The value of A is 5. 2 greater than 5, the output is false. Again B not equals to 10, the output is false. In the same manner, the one expression, both expressions are evaluated false, so final output is false. I can convert it. Here I have defined the 10 greater than or equal A, or B less than or equal 5. Output is true. Why it is true? The value is 10 greater than or equal. 10 greater than the current value of A is 5. 10 greater than 5, that is true. 10 not equals 5. Both conditions are defined here, but internally one condition evaluated true. 10 greater than 5, that is true. One expression is final true. B less than or equal to 5. The value of B is 10. 10 less than 5, no. 10 equals 5, no. So this expression is internally evaluated false, and the first one expression is evaluated true. But it is combined with OR logical operator. One expression is true, another one is false. Then the final output is true. Okay. The next one is the NOT logical operator. Not only just the single condition. Like I have defined here NOT A less than 5. It is given the syntax as this one, not this one. A, not a symbolic manner, it can be taken. A less than 5. Output is true. Why it is true? Because A less than 5. The value of 5 less than 5. The internally it is evaluated false. 5 less than 5, no. But not 5 less than 5, that is true. Yes. Not 5 less than 5, no. That true. So internally it is evaluated false. Not false, that is equivalent to true. Again I define it, not B greater than 5. Output is false. Why it is the output is false? Because B less than 5. We consider on this. The value of B is 10. 10 greater than 5. That is true. Evaluated true, 10 greater than 5. But not 10 greater than 5. That is the false. So it only just the single condition. And these wholes are the called logical operator or a Boolean operator because it given the output either true or false value. I think this video lecture make the clear concept about the logical operator, and you can try it in the practical manner, use different kinds of value and make the clear concept in itself. Thank you and have a good day.